So this is how I sometimes cook my tomato sauce, just straight to the point. In a pan, I add my protein of choice. In this case, I'm using hard chicken. It is still frozen though. So I add my seasoning cube, a pinch of salt, curry powder, paprika powder, chicken seasoning. And I noticed that I didn't have any onions at home, so I went in with this leek. So I chopped up the whole leek and added it. Added some black pepper. You can add any spices that you normally use to cook your protein of choice. And then went ahead and added a cup of water and then allowed the chicken to cook for about 20 minutes. Bear in mind that I'm using hard chicken. So I prepared my pepper mixture here, added some ginger, garlic, deseeded my Spanish peppers, tomatoes, bell peppers, and blended all into a smooth paste. So whilst preparing the pepper mixture, I added 2 more cups of water into the chicken to allow it to cook to a desired texture. What is your protein of choice when cooking your tomato sauce? For us, it depends. Some days we just mix chicken sauce, and some days we either do a mixture of chicken and fish. So leave me a comment down below. What protein of choice do you normally use for your tomato sauce? So you can see there's still water in the chicken, so allow it to cook a bit more so the water can dry up before adding my pepper mixture. The water is almost dried up or completely dried up, so it's time to add the pepper mixture. Give it a good stir and allow the water to dry up to your desired consistency. So I added about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. At this point, you can add whatever needs adding. For me, I've just tasted everything tastes just the way I want it to. We're going to have this with white basmati rice. You can have this with whatever you want. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. And I hope to see you in my next one. Bye bye.